Are you guys ready for the most nerdy unboxing video you've ever seen? Here goes! So we came home today and there was this red box and it's Valentine's Day. So I thought, oh, maybe it's a Valentine treat. But in the corner of this red box, it says Erchonia. You can't see it. Erchonia GVL, which means our green violet laser is here. Okay, so y'all probably don't know what it is, but we have those. Okay, as you can see, I am struggling to open this box, but the GVL is Erchonia's latest laser. It is the green violet laser, and we got one of the first 100. I got it. Oh, okay. All right, sit like this. A box in a box. Unlock your potential. Scan me. What the? Oh gosh. Okay, so we have a marketing kit. They've given us a marketing kit. Congratulations. Oh, here it is. I was like, where's the laser? It's the laser. So this is it. I'm gonna turn it on. While we're waiting, the reason why we're excited about this green violet laser is because now we will have a red, a violet, and a green laser, which means we can now effectively activate every single protein that's in the electron transport chain, which means all of the protein complexes responsible for making ATP in our cells are going to be activated. So healing potential is through the roof now. I'm trying to do a demo of the laser for you guys, but I realized that there's nothing programmed in the laser and it's something I'll have to do later. I really don't know how you guys do unboxing videos and look so cute. I was very confused and yeah, trying to figure it out the whole time. But I'm going to be doing a lengthier video talking about the benefits of the GVL very soon, so look out for that. This is the charging base. And some nifty glasses. Ooh, and they're big, so they can go over my glasses too. And lastly, we have the power cord and the power supply. Again, struggling here. Y'all make this look so easy. It's all packed in here. The power supply. All right, that's everything in the box. Oh, and they give you a little cleaner, and I think these are for our glasses that I have on. So yes, there you have it. We have the green violet laser. I will be doing another video later after I figure out how to use this to talk about the many, many benefits that it will have on everyone. Yay!